People today want everything fast. They want snacks, movies, and even their shopping done instantly. And now they expect the same from their real estate agents. iCONNCT's Tap Talk Tour makes it incredibly simple for customers to connect with you directly from anywhere, any device, at any time. To share your Tap Talk Tour link, from your iCONNCT agent profile, tap the Invite Share icon, then select Tap Talk Tour. But what do we do with this link? Place this link in your social media bios, your email signature, and even your marketing drip and text campaigns. When your contacts tap on this link from any device, they get an instant video or voice chat with their real estate professional. No bots, no voicemails, no callbacks. Your buyer can go from viewing your Instagram posts to a virtual tour with you in seconds, from reading an email to an immediate video chat buyer consultation. This level of direct accessibility has never been available before. iCONNCT removes barriers, making it easier than ever for customers to access a local real estate professional directly. Stand out with iCONNCT.